Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I received my giveaway, so let's get on to the video. Oh my god, there's so much things in here, so I'm just gonna randomly take out some stuff. So the first thing I see is it's a overnight lip mask. Ooh, I can't wait to try these out. Yeah, this is a overnight lip mask and I can't wait to try it. And if I get to try this, I'll let you guys know how this works. The second thing is it's by Pop Beauty, which I never heard of their company, and it's a extra lit B shot. It's a serum, which I never used a serum before. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at this later, and then if I try this out, I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know how this works. And other thing, if I can get this out. Oh, there's another. Ooh, I got some new thing to apply your lashes. I don't know. Do you call these tweezers? I don't know how to open this, but oh my god, I've been wanting these so long. Now I finally had them. Have one. The other one is it's a shadow flip multi. It's a liquid. Oh, it's a liquid eyeshadow. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I don't want to swatch this yet. Should I? I think I'll swatch it. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. I think it has like a green. I thought it was like a brown, like a nude, but when you go within the light, it turns into like a green. But I can't wait to try this. Okay, this it's a eyeshadow palette, which I'm gonna give one of the a palette to my sister. Oh, I kind of ripped the shoe. The struggle is real.
Why is it so hard to get out of the package?
Oh, the first thing, I like the packaging. And oh my god, this is so gorgeous. I really like this shade right here. And this shade right here, this shade right here. I'm not gonna swatch it because I don't know if she wants me to swatch the shadows, but yeah, I'm gonna put this back. I'll do that right now. And the other thing I seen in the picture on Instagram is eyelashes. These are so gorgeous. And it's the same person that I received my other giveaway. If you guys haven't seen that, make sure you guys go check it out. It's by the same person. Her name is Martha.
Oh.
These are so gorgeous. I can't wait to try this. I needed more eyelashes. But I'm going to give one to my sister, and then the palette. I think they're the same. No, they're different. I think they're different. This is, all it has the numbers is, this one is, oh wait, I thought this was, oh right here. It's 5D, I think. It's right there. I don't know if that's the number, but this is 5, wait, this is 01. This is, the other one I showed you, oh, it's 04. This is 01, I mean. 01. This is so cute. I like this. It came with 2, 3, 4, 5 eyelashes. Oh my god, I love these ones. Oh my god, I had some backpack to open it. These are my favorite ones. These look like these are simple. Ooh, I like this one. This is number 14. These are cute. I think hopefully my sister likes these ones. Hopefully she does. I'm gonna give her this one, and then the palette, and then the eyelashes. This one doesn't have a number. I think this one and this one are the same. These are littler. I'm gonna give probably 2 for her because I don't think she likes like dramatic eyelashes. I don't know, but Des, if you're watching this, let me know if you like dramatic eyelashes. But these two look the same, but this one looks like this is more dramatic. This one looks more simple. I'm gonna give her these 2 right here, and then I'll keep these ones for myself. There's nothing in this one, and there's another one. I think this is the last one, I think. Oh no, there's something else in there. And this is mine. Oh, this feels so heavy. This is so pretty. Oh no, one keyboard broken. Oh my god. Okay, I know how to fix these. Only one came broken, but I'll show you guys right now, and then I'm gonna fix it, and then I'll show you guys. There's one last thing in here. I think this is whoever's watching this, whoever has like own one of these, let me know what this is. Is this is this eyeliner? Or is this where what's that called? Is this where you put the, I know I've seen these all over TikTok. Supposedly this, you put is this regular eyeliner or is this for your eyelashes? But it's a little, now that I see this, it's a little messy, but I don't know, because if it was in the heat and it kinda, I don't know. But oh, there's one more thing, and I think it's a sample. Oh, it's a Sephora skin. I think I tried this, but I didn't really I bought one of these and it wasn't my shade. This girl, she got me, the girl that was trying to find my skin tone, she gave me the darkest shade ever, and I'm just like, how is this my shade? But I can't wait to try this out, so I could really know how this feels on your skin. I can't wait to try this. But I'm gonna be right back, and I'm gonna fix one of the shades. Okay, I'm back. I tried fixing it. I tried it with the rubbing alcohol, so this is the shade. It's so, I like it, but it was a little messy when I was trying to clean it up. So I'm gonna do the first row. So they don't have names, but they do have numbers. This one's like A1. This is A2, A3, and A4. I kind of messed up, but this is A5. So I'm gonna do it backwards. So this is A5 right here. I'm bad at swatching. And this is A1, which is that white shade. Oh, And then this is A2. Oh my god, that was so gorgeous. And then this is A3. Wait, oh, and then this is A4. This is A4. The purple one is the A3. The gold shade is A2. And then the white shade is A1. And then this is A5. They're super pigmented. I'm just gonna clean up the. Okay. So the second row, this is the one that came broken, which is this is B1. Ooh, that is pigmented. This is B2. This is B3. This is B4. And this is B5. Oh my god, I just barely dipped my finger in that. So B5. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the one that was broken, which was B1. Oh my god. You guys seen this? Oh my god, this is. Oh my god. Okay, I never had pigmented a shadow like this before. So this is B2. Oh my god, I like that purple shade. And then this is another purple. I think it's a pink purple shade. So B3 is the purple shade. Oh my god, look how pigmented. This one is like calling my name. It's like, oh my gosh, super pigmented. It's like, I think you could use this as a highlight. This finger on the other side of the. Okay, so this is the third row, so which is C1. This, oh my god. Okay, this is C2, C3, C4, and C5. So this is C1. These are super pigmented. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is C2. I get you guys. Oh my god, this is no joke. Oh my god. I wonder what company this is. I never seen this palette before. This is C3. Oh my god, I never seen a purple shade like that. This is C4. This is no joke. I really like this. And this is C5. Oh my god. Look at these shades. I can't wait to try these out. Oh my god, I can't. This is so pigmented. Wait to try these out. And look, they leave like a little glitter still on my hands. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. Okay. Oops. I'm gonna have to get another wipe because I'm running. The wipe is being all dirty. Okay. Here we go for the fourth row. So this is D1. This is D2. This one is like a glitter shade. Oh my god, it felt like a glitter, like a chunk of glitter. This is D2. So this is D3, D4, and D5. I like how there's so many purples in this palette. Okay, so this is D1. Oh my god. Okay, this is. I have high hopes for the glitter because literally, the glitters that I've been using, not use, so far when I had swatched worse glitters before. Oh my god, you guys, it wasn't chunky. It felt like it was buttery. I'll show you guys. Ready? Oh my god. And it doesn't feel chunky. It feels so soft when you swatched it. When you swatch it. So this is gonna be D3. Oh my god. Usually I hate like matte shades that has shimmer in it, but hopefully I will end up liking the shade. It's cause like, I mean, I don't know if it's a matte shade or it's a shimmer, but I know it has a little chunk of glitter in it. Shimmer in it. And this is gonna be D4. Oh my god, do you see that? This is so. And this is the last one, D5. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait. And okay, here we go for the last row. So this is E1. Oh my god. Okay, this is E2. Oh, I was like, there was like nothing picking up on my finger, but it's right here. So this is E3. Oh my god, that felt so buttery. I'm not even kidding. This is E4 and this is E5. Okay. Oh my god, sorry for the bad swatching. Oh my god. And this is E2. Sorry for the bad swatching. Oh my god, that is so gorgeous. Oh my god. This is E3. And this is going to be E4. Oh my god. And this is E5. Yep, E5. This is no joke. Oh my god, this is so. I can't wait to try these out. Oh my god. I think you could use a E1 as a highlight. Oh my god. So, I just want to make a huge shout out to Martha again for choosing me as the giveaway. And I'm always going to support you, Martha. If you're watching this, I'll always support you. Everything came perfectly on time. Nothing like, yeah, like one shade came broken, but I fixed it. It wasn't as bad, so that was a good thing. All that matters, like all the shades are here. The mirror's not broken, and I love everything you guys. I love all the stuff that you guys gave me. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you guys want like me to do a tutorial on this palette. I will. Just comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.